Back again, guys. Welcome on to the Einzing TV. From my ear the voice, no the Einz boss. Cause guess what go on? You not see no face, you know, so I not ask that, you know. But guess what go on now? That one is different. From you not see no face. Fresh and cool, cause when you going to test pool. I who them, man. And guess what go on now? As me see I who them. Me forward for review the big bad song from Skillibeng. When name Who. Me no know who. Who. Yeah, I forgot to tell me. So guess what go on now? Right now that song, yeah. Me like the vibe. Me like the lyrics them. Me like how them formulate. So guess what go on now? Me have to come review it and make the people them know what go on. So I have to take the time and listen it and explain it to you and make you understand the full concept of what the boss make you know what's go on. Cause guess what go on? Shot fire. Well, if everything go on, people please get circle. Things happen. Phrase misplaced and replaced and can't be placed back. And that go on another song right now. So guess what go on? Make we jump right into it.
The pussy them no bad like me, not like me. Stop try fi avoid it. Mac 90 man rise in yam boy skin. Mount a shot in at the Glock. Extension cock off clip.
Viewer subscriber. As you can hear how the boss started. Remember you know, at the Grammy done. So that different. You know that go already. But guess what go on now? The man say yo. Them boy they not bad like me. And who them? Me no know. But guess what go on now? The man say yo, stop avoid it. Seems like somebody around. But you know, let me tell you what go on differently now. The boss make you know say yo, a Mach 90 me use and pop off skin. A Mach 90 me use and bore up people. A Mach 90 me use and peel boy skin. Yeah, the man say yo, the amount of shot in the Glock extension. That cock off clip. Oh man, that's youth. Hey, you know what's that youth yeah? Yo. Skillibeng. Do it youth.
Me no fight Karachi. When me pop off me bore up them face like Chapalin. East side but I'm brawling. Me no power with jackass. Me my dog we shot boy quick. We head top scar.
No say yo. In the Karachi. I don't show thing. I don't Jackie Chan something. Guess what go on now? The man I make you know say yo. When him pop off. Face full of hole like Chapalin. A beat things go on. Brrr. Yeah. That a go on there so. The man I make you know say yo. Me no jackass you know. I be a bad dog on my foot. So guess what go on? When they pull off, shut a beat them quick. Quick and fast man. I order them man. Hold on, them tell you something. Quick and fast too. One time me and girls a Skillibeng have the ugliest hairstyle in the dancer. But guess what go on? Me see the reason why now. The man make you know say yo. Me head top scotchy. So once head top scotchy, you don't know your hairstyle I go already. So let alone here, hairstyle thing different. The man head top scotchy. Him a fi road.
Full of beta parties. East side strong and fit. Go round the Danada, dopey bat butter flick. You mad? Cataracted. The clip for your banana wall more than 40.
Real kid na manaki. Them they even know. So guess what go on now? The man make you know say yo. You see East Side crew. You see me, the East Side General, we strong and fit around here. I don't know joke thing, I don't know play thing, I don't know push thing or somebody can just run you as them feel and wine. The man say yo, if you go on the Danada, you hear that? Your battery you flick you out. Watch you run up. And you get a boop in your head. Watch you go on now. The man say yo, the clip with your banana. That can more than 40 you know. Skillibeng, how you go? Seems like I'm not going to show them one whole village. How go on?
Till a morning. Pussy off it top talking when the rifle top kick. Who bother me? Me murder your fast and the butcher where you assault big.
He know somebody a got dead. Guess what go on? Think I pick the thing? The man yo, remember you know. The man did done tell us say you know. The banana clip come more than 40 you know. And you know what the man say? The man say right now me can fire shot right now from now till the morning. But guess what go on? The man say yo, when the rifle a kick, stop talking man. Just stop chatting man. Cause yo, how go on? Them have to lock off. Cause they no joke thing around us so. How would them? That the man asks, how would them? Are you talking so much? Watch her go on now. The man make you know say yo. Him will kill faster than oh the butcher kill the pig. Yeah man. Skilly. Oh you say guy me youth?
Boy, you have to drop a spin. Rifle a clot, east side never shot or miss. Born hunted, shot in a yard past ribs. Bad army, anywhere your ass clot live. Send your marina the year, send your passport fridge.
Let me ask one question. Them are killing in a CXC. It seems so. Because Skilly Bang get A. But guess what go on now? The man make a noise, yo. When him shot people, them jump and spin. That means what? Gunshot hot. They remember inside them body. So them body are twerk up. Guess what go on? He said man shot and miss, you know. That the man make a know. The man make a know say right now. He said man them bananted. The man say youth. When me shot it in a heart. That past ribs that gone wear on so. Yeah. The man say yo. Marrow in a ear. And body part upon fridge. You're just dead. Me sure say you're dead. Once the man go in the ear and your body parts go upon fridge, yes, me sure say you're dead. Doctor can't save that. Talk to bright light.
The clock lock off switch. Clappy bright cover well varnished. Still boy head top split. If 15 well ranchy. Head bust like zesty. Cock the minute take well sassy. East side that we say badness. We know we a town referee if he go kick penalty.
You know some man. When him pop off man and a tight thing man, boy wouldn't get crack up man. You know what I mean? Him shot him. When him fire shot, boy I try dive. I try swim. Brother, you dip on the asphalt and shot the fire. Or if you swim on asphalt, alright. Swim in a shot then and dead see him way. Cause kill come for kill. What you go on now? The man when him lock the bang. People half dead. What go on? Kill it. Are your finger name bang? Lock it on the trigger. You know stop squeezing people dead. That one. Alright. The man say yo. Him turn on the eat pan them skill appeal. Another orange. The man say yo, shut them up enough man. Like, you know what is a collage? Yeah man, a paper with a lot of graphic on it. A lot of graphic pictures on it. Small paper, yeah man. So I saw your face I go full of hole. Hole heap of hole in your face. The face is not good again.
We murder boy regularly. AK bullet my message them send crossing. Tapa tavana SLR.
You a subscriber. It's right now. More on comment Grammy Dan in the comment section because right now Skilly Bang are the original Grammy Dan. Cause here all the boss deal with this. Him man making us a party. We kill people regularly, you know. Killing people is not nothing to we, you know. Yeah, so if we kill you, it's like having a drink. Yeah. Him man making us say yo. Uno send text. Uno WhatsApp bad man. On our Facebook, I send message, but guess what go on now? No? A AK bullet, me send my message them with you know. Yeah. So what you know? Me put a name on the bullet. Signature style. And send it to you. Boop! In your head. You know what go on? The man say, yo, if him tap a tavern, a SLR lift, me nah say nothing more right there so. Me don't talk. Somebody dead.
Send cross it tall pen badness. Who bother me? Me murder your fast and the butcher where you assault big. Boy, you fi drop a spin. Rifle a clot, east side never shot and miss. Born haunted.
Born haunted. East side never shot and miss. Jesus, what go on? But guess what go on now? We a subscriber. As you can all hear what go on now. The Skilly Bang asks a who. Him shoot some people. Him circle some place. Leave the comment down below. If you know who get shot. If you know which part him go. So guess what go on? Like, subscribe and share. At the Heinz Boss. At the Heinzing TV. I'm out.